I'm a bird watcher, and I like to capture pictures of birds, but sometimes I want to capture the sound also. Now, I've got a cheap old camera. It doesn't have a microphone input, so I wanted to get a better microphone, something that can focus the sound like they call it a shotgun microphone, so it's very narrow field of a collection of the sounds. So I bought one, and it collects sounds all right, but it's not very directional. So I decided to get a parabolic reflector so it would concentrate the sound. Now, if your camera already has a microphone jack, you probably wouldn't need the reflector. You can just put in a directional microphone. Straight on, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 360 degrees, straight on. It didn't work that well. It's very wide angle, not much better than the camera microphone itself. So decided to buy something to focus the sound. It includes a parabolic mirror, a directional mic, and the parabolic mirror will make the sound more localized. Here's a view of the digital voice recorder on the back of the parabolic mirror, and here's the components for that. We got the directional shotgun mic, the parabolic reflector, a mini camera mount, and the PVC piping. It's all put together. And I also have a set of headphones so I can listen as I'm recording. This is the digital voice recorder. Sony is a good brand. Voice recorder. All these together are less than about $100, so it's quick and easy. And I'll give you some sound samples.